Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. As I assume you've probably already seen the thumbnail and the title of this video, you probably already can take a wild guess what's going on, but I'm going to go ahead and fill you in. As many of you know, I bought SpeedAx 731's, now HPR, the shop I work for, his 2020 Velocity Blue GT a little over 3 years ago. Done some great things with it. Car's been in the mid-low sixes. Recently just put an ESS supercharger on there, and well, I had an offer that I really couldn't refuse. I mean, I could have, but it's going to work out in the long run. But anyway, guys, in case you haven't seen, let's go over the car as it currently sits right now. What we have here is my 2020 Velocity Blue Mustang GT, ESS supercharged, Cook's headers, full exhaust, AW turn catback, weld wheels, Steeda suspension. We got cat skins, leather interior in it, 4 to 8 digital dash, N-gauge, performance pack gauges. And then make sure you guys remember, this car started out as a 300A base car. Also, performance pack Brembos. We've got the form lighting headlights, triple pump fuel system, and ESS G3X with a G4 intercooler. We got all the normal stuff, like I said, the fuel system, FIC 1000s, thermostat, the cooler range spark plugs. I mean, car is done really good. It made 758,541 on the Vortec. This we have not had a chance to get on the dyno, but we would estimate, because of how much more air this flows, this is probably still between that number and 800 horsepower on the same amount of boost. Of course, all the carbon fiber bits, hood, mirrors, wing, and as you saw earlier, taillight surrounds, deck lid panel, rear valence, all carbon, 350 splitters on the side. The car has just been a really good car, but they do say all good things must come to pass. And the opportunity presented itself for me to sell the car. I wouldn't say clear debt, but it actually got me, not out of debt, but actually got me where I'd be a lot more comfortable living, especially with the way our economy is going. Of course, I still have my F-150. That's my stepdaughter's car right there. No, I'm not a fan of them. No, I do not work on it. Don't ask. But anyway, guys, like I said, that's what's going on right now. I'm going to make sure he's good with filming when he gets here. His first reactions to driving the car, stuff like that. After that, a few of you asked what's coming up, if there anything else going to come back in the garage. Probably not for a little while, but if the right opportunity presents itself, you just never know. But anyway, guys, we're going to wait for the new owner to get here, and I'll pick this back up. All right, guys, well, I talked with the guy that bought the car. He had his kids with him, and I wasn't going to have him on camera with the kids and everything, so we went ahead and just done the transaction, got it all done and handled, and very happy with the car. And him and his boys are gone up the road. Hopefully, and we will probably have it back at the shop here in a couple weeks to do some upgrades and do some maintenance on it for him, because I told him I'd take care of it for him. But to show it's official, guys, I mean, you see right there, tags off it. Never to go back on another car again, more than likely. But anyway, that kind of closes the chapter on my S550. I may eventually get another one, but as of right now, I'm kind of going to go through all this mess and get this garage back as a garage, not a catch-all. But like I said, we'll see how everything goes. I was going to say now, guys, you know, stay tuned. There has been a possibility of getting something else here soon. Don't know 100% for sure if it's going to come through. But I've been in contact with the gentleman and in contact with a couple other people looking at other vehicles. But yeah, I mean, that's about it, guys. I've got a lot of leftovers from the S550 here. He told me what he wanted, and I guess I'm going to keep the rest just in case I get another one, or I'll just get rid of the parts, give them to somebody that could use them, something like that. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching over the years. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the subscriptions. I appreciate the likes, comments. I know I don't go back to all of them because I'm, you know, we're working so much at the shop, and by the time, especially in this heat, by the time I get home, I'm done. I mean, I'm exhausted. So, like I said, I appreciate everything you guys do on Tube and also on all the other social media platforms. I really do. But please keep an eye out, because like I said, it may not be for a little while, but there will be something coming. But guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Appreciate you watching. Take it easy, stay safe. We'll holler you later. There she goes.